to do anything. I'm just saying.
Probably a few different ways we could take this.
All right, listen up. We got a buyer coming in.
So what?
So we're gonna look professional.
Be obvious about it.
Hey, what? Look out!
Hey! Let's go! Get out of there!
You know what? This was an old gator farm.
It's clever. I'll give you that.
Yeah. Remote location, good sea access, land access, fucking gators.
Yeah, they're geniuses. Come on, there's a radio tower toward the back. Let's check it out.
That isn't a hunter's kill. Someone really went to town on this thing.
Whoever did this was an asshole.
Let me guess. You like animals better than people?
Not really. Those shoes look familiar.
Someone got worked over here.
Yeah. I'm guessing it was Leo. Nelson's guys. Here, talk to them.
Shit, Rick. Can't get Tommy.
Nell!
Hey. Yeah, it's all good. I'm here.
Who the fuck is this?
It's Antonio.
Where's Tommy?
Yeah, he's taking a shit.
Nice.
Oh, yeah? Well, tell him that Nell said it's time for the meet.
Okay, where's he headed?
Tommy knows where the fuck he's going, Antonio. Tell him we're on our way.
Boring conversation anyway?
The meeting on that guy's phone? That's with Nelts.
He said they were headed...
Miami Aquatic Stadium's been shut down for a while. That's where they gotta be meeting.
Well, we're not gonna find it here.
Police, you're under arrest.
Get him! Don't want any trouble.
I got the other one targeted.
It's okay. Chill out.
stadium's just south of here. Hold tight.
Whoa, slow it down. The watchouts know we're here. Whoa, hold up. Something's spotted.
Yeah, I remember when I was a little kid, I came here once. It was a motorboat, pulling 10 girls.
Hands up. Keep it.
Watch they don't get to the alarm. Heads up! This should help.
Stay back!
Get after them.
Let's go.